Hi friends, my name is Mahesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, today I am going to give you these 5 points. Based on these 5 points only, we should play the Dream 11. When should I join the contest? Why? And the second point is why should I see the opponent level? Third point is how much I should invest, whom I should follow as a helper for Dream 11, and why. How much I earned means मैं कितना कमाया ड्रीम 11 में, ये 5 पॉइंट में आप 10 मिनट का वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। अब पहली पॉइंट की बात करेंगे। नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हेन शुड आई जॉइन द कॉन्टेस्ट। ओके, कीप द मिनिमम टाइम ऑफ 8 to 9 hours to join the contest. Before that, how many hours as your wish you can join. For example, tomorrow one Ranji match and one international match, Bangladesh versus Zimbabwe is there. So now itself you join, see the team combination, how it is possible. If by seeing the team combination itself we can say the match is good or bad. Okay, on those based on those combination you can make the team and join now itself. Okay, see here, what is the probability of winning, मतलब मौका क्या जल्दी ज्वाइन करने के लिए. See the probability is, now itself you join the contest. See here, already one person came into this contest. If you join with him, he might be in the tomorrow is the Monday working day, he might be in the school, he might be in his job, or he does not have internet, or he might be in the journey. वो भूल जा सकता है टीम एडिट करने के लिए, उसको प्लेयर मिस हो सकता है. प्लेयर मिस नहीं हो सकता तो भी वो टास्क के समय दिखा नहीं, क्या दिखा नहीं, कौन टॉस जीता, कौन पहले बैटिंग करेगा, बैटिंग ऑर्डर, वो सब दिखा नहीं. आप दिखाकर अच्छा टीम बना सकता है, मीन्स यू कैन मेक ए गुड टीम आफ्टर टॉस. So this is one probability. Okay, so join minimum, keep the minimum time of 8 hours. Before 8 hours you join. And what is the disadvantage of joining after 8 hours or after the coming of the lineup? See, after coming the lineup everyone will be in the active stage. Okay, and also mostly paid seller teams will come at the deadline time. Okay, they are very big shots in Dream 11. Their teams will come at the deadline, or at least 5 hours, from 5 hours. Okay, and one thing, you cannot see the opponent level also, because the contest will be keep on closing very soon. That's why you should join 8 hours before minimum. Keep that in mind. And see what is the use. He will also take the chance is there, no, if you join before means he can forget to edit the team, like that chance is there, no, so use that chance. Okay, this is the very first tip. Now the second point is, why should I see the opponent level. Talking on this point, see, in India versus Australia match I joined with only 217 rupees contest. See my opponent's level once. See, very first, still he did not play one match also. What he will be have the knowledge on cricket? He 29, he is playing since May 2015, even 29 level. See what will be his confidence level. Okay, then how expect that how the team will come. See 8 level, see 59 level. See, they will have less, I say less in knowledge in cricket, that too in women matches, if we join with that kind of persons. See, for example, if you come to my completed matches, see here, see, I joined 14, just 14 rupees, all to all, each and every contest won. Why? Because I am joining with the less level opponent. See, they are even missing 1 or 2 players also. Okay, see here, I think they missed a few players also. See, no, not he. Yeah, I saw some few players are missing. See, Udana missed. Like this you will get if you join with the less level opponents. Means, see, in Legends match I joined the 3 contest, I won 1 contest because of the joining with less level opponents. See, 123, 89, like this winning. And coming to the hockey, in hockey very big means big big paid sellers will play hockey. Okay, see, in that also I'll join with the less level opponent. See, not only seeing the level, see his recent match performance also. He's playing hockey. See, he lost with me, he tied. Okay, no problem. Like this you should see. And one thing in this 35 rupees contest, see the point difference. Loser boss, his name itself loser boss. See how his confidence will be. See, previous matches also will matter. Okay, if his previous match is very high, then consider he is buying prime from someone and don't join with him. All this should follow. Simply I want money means money will not come. Okay, see here, second match you said you all lost. Why you lost? See here, in this 15 rupees contest, once see this team, clearly see this team. This team belongs to FFG, Fantasy Football Guru. Okay, so I lost with him, but no matter, I joined the 35 rupees contest, I won it. See the points difference. See his level 89 level. He never played he never played hockey itself. Just yesterday he played. See his team. This J Hadward vice captain is not playing itself. L Sharp not played yesterday match itself. How he can win? Like that you should join. You are joining when I provide team, that time you are joining. Clashes also will happen. Okay, see here, now itself you can join. There is the 6th day of time. Come to the head to head once, click on the sort. See here, this person, don't join with this person also. See his level and see his points difference. He might have been lost with me. Okay, but don't join with them. I'm going to, no one joined. Okay, and then yesterday I won with the sanity also. You should have lot of patience to play ड्रीम 11. मीन्स आराम करना चाहिए, मन को आराम करना चाहिए. ठीक है, वेट करो, लीग फुल होने तक वेट करो. मतलब कल ये तो मैच है ना, आप इसमें देखो, दो बंदा आया, उसका लेवल देखो, उसका लेवल 39 है, इसका लेवल 19 है. फटाफट ज्वाइन कर दो, उसका पास कर दिया ज्वाइन. ऐसा करो. वो 31 आवर है, वो भूलने के लिए बहुत ही चांस है ना. ठीक है, बहुत ही चांस है ना. ऐसा यूज़ करो. सी दिस मच ऑफ बेनिफिट इज़ देयर ऑन सीइंग द लेवल ऑफ द अपोनेंट. ओके, कमिंग टू द थर्ड पॉइंट, हाउ मच आई शुड इन्वेस्ट. देखो, इन्वेस्टमेंट मैं नहीं बोल सकता हूँ एक्चुअली, लेकिन टिप दे सकता हूँ. देखो, मैं तो कभी भी 17 का ज़्यादा खेला नहीं. मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट भी दिखा दूंगा. सॉरी, मेरा प्रॉफिट कितना कमाया भी दिखा दूंगा. ठीक है, मैं कभी भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट नहीं करता हूँ. पहले करता था, मतलब उस समय भी मैं हज़ारों ऐसा नहीं ज्वाइन किया कभी भी. 230 ऐसा ही ज्वाइन किया. 387 का कॉन्टेस्ट भी 1-2 बार ही ज्वाइन किया मैं, लेकिन मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट में था. ठीक है, कल नहीं परसों नहीं, उसका पिछला दिन, एक दिन में 400 कमाया. कैसे है? 17 रुपये कॉन्टेस्ट में ही 400 कमाया. कल के दिन कमी कमाया, मतलब 80 रुपया. ऐसा 80 रुपया भी कोई कमी नहीं है ना, पूरा सीधा लॉस नहीं. 80 रुपया ठीक है, फुल ना, आई डोंट हैव फुल लॉस, बट समथिंग प्रॉफिट आई हैड ना. वी आर प्लेइंग फॉर प्रॉफिट इन ड्रीम 11. वाई शुड वी लॉस इन ड्रीम 11? ओके, प्ले विथ पर्टिकुलर प्लान्स. See, once I'll scroll the bar and I'll show my winnings. See, slowly, once 44 means 217 rupees contest, 1 I won, 217 rupees, 2 I won. Like this, see, each and every time here I won 5 out of 5, 178, 5 out of 5, 168, 5 30, 60, 5 out of 5, 150, 70. See, हर बार जीतती रहता हूँ. ये कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं तो भी एक कॉन्टेस्ट जीत ही जाता हूँ. Why? Because I am seeing the level of the opponent. I am joining with the less level opponent. Okay, probability is increasing, my winning probability. Okay, see, हर बार here देखो 282, 104 ऐसा होता है. लूज भी होता है 1-2 मैच, वो फैंटेसी में होना ही भी चाहिए. We should lose, sure, then only we can win also. Okay, enough. Like, but I can say you one tip how to invest. Means For example, there is 1,000 rupees in your pocket yesterday. Consider yesterday. For today matches, you choose 4 matches. Okay, in those 4 matches, you invest 200, 200, 200 means 800. Then also you should have 200 backup in your account. Okay, backup is always important. Any match can become jackpot. Okay, today you lost 4 matches also. If 200 is there, tomorrow you can invest 50, 50, 50 in 4 matches and you can regain all those 1,000 rupees tomorrow. Okay, like this backup should be there. Don't throw all money in a single match. If you lost in that match, how? And students, don't invest from your pocket money or from your fees. Okay, it's I as per my observation, it's very 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 crime like that, I can say. Okay, students play very very less amount, I consider very very less amount. Yeah, why to invest lot of amounts? See, 4 matches are there. Two 17 rupees contest in 4 matches, 34 rupees, 34 rupees investment means how much? I can say 60 60 120, 120, uh, consider 132 like that. Okay, if you win at least 2 matches as clean sweep, how much? 88 88, 200 weapon profit enough for one day. 80 rupees enough. Why you are greedy for money? I don't know. Okay, yesterday see, I saw the messages. I lost 500. Why you lost? People are winning. No plan, no plan. You are greedy. You are thinking in one match only I should get all amount. You cannot. Why? Because any match can become lose and any match can become jackpot. So investment should be careful. You should invest equally in all matches, then only you can be in profit. And one thing, use the cash bonus given by the Dream 11. If I am winning means cash bonus is only saving me. Okay, whenever the Dream 11 gives you offer, please deposit. Okay, please deposit, then only you can be in profit in Dream 11. See, I'm not going to take much time. Now fourth point, who should I follow as a helper for Dream 11 means किसको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा हमें Dream 11 में? जिसको भी, लेकिन वो किंग होना चाहिए Dream 11 का, मतलब ठीक है, he should be a king. Okay, but don't follow everyone. Yeah, you'll get confused. Okay, if I am good, follow me only. If another cricket farmer, someone forecast, or some cricket guru, someone FFG, whoever, if he is good, follow him only. Going there, seeing his screenshot, hey, today he got more point than Mahesh, so his team is good. Tomorrow you will invest with him, tomorrow you will lose with his team, I will win tomorrow. Get confused. For example, see, today I lost, he won. Tomorrow you will keep his team, tomorrow I will win. Okay, continuously follow one person, I am in profit. Why you will not be in profit? I say why? Because see, you are not following a single person, you are following he. How will you be in profit? Okay, if he lost, you will also will lose. So I said, don't follow lot and lot of people in Telegram. Delete each and every channel. Keep very very genuine channel, and who is giving you not 100%, out of, consider out of 10 matches, who is giving you 7 8 matches or 6 matches result, follow him. Okay, leave other channels. Seeing that screenshots, you will get very confused whom to follow and whom not to follow. Okay, that is the one thing, and that's your wish. You can follow me or anyone, but follow one, keep one as your role model and follow one person. And then how much I earned in Dream 11, I am showing you my account. See friends, right now I had 80,242 rupees. Okay, yesterday only I mailed to Dream 11 also. Actually, see here, they gave me the 1 year of full transaction. Also, by seeing that, I earned around 60,000 in this 1 year. Okay, this is the thing I got mail from the Dream 11 in 1 year. It's not less. What do you say? It's not less actually. See, present my winnings are this much. This is my added amount. Okay, I am in good state, and see my current winning percentage is around 60% of winning. See, 60%, and see my recent performance. See, 980, 979 rank. like this will be my performances. So don't bother about that. Actually fantasy is very risky. My suggestion is leave fantasy. If you want to play means very invest very less and follow all these tips and you should play. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like and comment my video. This is my very first video on the prediction of Dream 11. This is my very first video. Thanks for my viewers, thanks for my subscribers, thanks for my likers, commenters. Okay, this is my Telegram channel, Mahesh Cricket Guru. Join this channel. You will get here free teams. See, by searching this at the rate by Mahesh MCG. See, I'll show you. By searching at the rate MAHESH Mahesh MCG, you will get my channel. You can join here. See, all these teams are free teams. They won. Excellent will come. Very excellent video and very useful tips for the newcomers. The newcomers must see this video and the second video, then only should play the Dream 11. Otherwise please stop the Dream 11. See friends, if you are not spending 18 minutes 20-25 minutes for watching the video and learning from some experts, please stop the Dream 11 because you don't have the patience. If you don't have the patience, you will not get money in Dream 11 or any fantasy website. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for my viewers.